Good morning, everybody. This is Joshua Tony's Homestead Gardening. I've been planting a bottle gourd plant in my backyard. As you can see, it's gotten a few feet on me this week thanks to the rain. Look at this. Nice and thick and beautiful. But what I like about it is this. Look at this. Got bottle gourds, baby. Oh yeah. If y'all don't know what a bottle gourd is, they look just like this, except for I painted this one. We make them for birdhouses out here in my yard with the kids. So remember, if you can grow it, you can eat it. Please like, subscribe. Always leave your comments and please share. Thank you and have a great day. Look how beautiful that is.